I'm sure you've heard the news. It isn't just changing, it's going supernova. The question is, can you keep up? From AI coding assistants that finish your lines before you blink, to no-code platforms that let anyone build apps in a flash, tech is flipping the IT game on its head. Remote work? Now it's the norm. Cloud everything? If you're not in the cloud, you're in the past. Real-time data? You want it, you got it. Anytime, anywhere. Borders? Gone. Teams are global, dashboards are everywhere, and your competition is working while you sleep. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a tidal wave. Here's the truth. In this tech tsunami, you adapt, or you get washed away. The future of IT waits for no one. So, are you surfing the wave or getting caught in the undertow? Hit follow to stay ahead, stay updated, and ride the future like a pro. #TechTrends, #future of it, #digital transformation.